The chimney, we've opened this up. It was all, traditionally in these houses, it's all framed up, so it's quite bulky. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to go for an Escea fireplace in here, and then still playing with some ideas about how I want to shape this. But certainly on the other side, I'll keep the fireplace and the decorative look of the bricks. On this side, I'll probably end up closing it in and making it slightly more modern. It's a work in progress, that's fair to say. When we first looked at this house and when I first considered the project, I actually wanted to take the chimneys out. I thought, I want the space, it'll make this room a bit bigger and all of those sorts of things. But the funny thing is that as we've been in the house now for a couple of months, I've kind of become attached to it. And even some of the things about it that I didn't like, the fact that it wasn't symmetrical, the amount of space that it takes up in the room, doesn't really matter. It's actually become, it always was, a central part of the house, and now I've come to understand that as well. So the next stage in this is we've done some render, the boys are just protecting that, and then the fireplace will come in here from Escea, mount that in there. We're just about ready. We've got power and gas. We're almost ready for the fireplace.